Ranking funny did you know moments.
Did you know Mr. Beast is called Mr. Beast because his first name is Mr. and his last name is Beast?
Did you know that if you turn on the hot water tap, the water would be hot, but if you turn on the cold water tap, the water would be cold?
Did you know? Ketchup is not red because they add 417 red crayons into each bottle. Instead, it is red because of the tomatoes.
Did you know that apple pie gets its flavor from apples and not from Head & Shoulders apple shampoo? That's because apples taste like apples, while Head & Shoulders apple shampoo only smells like apples, but tastes a lot like shampoo.
When cracking an egg, you should not use your fridge. This will make a huge mess and is not very efficient. Instead, you should just use Spider-Man.